Oh, shit. You gotta go like down.
Oh. Gonna get swept out into the water. Oh my god.
How are we gonna get out of here?
Fast.
Fucking board tide comes rolling in.
We're hauling ass.
Once the water comes up, we need to be like up on this top.
See, I think, all right, you see where those seagulls are right there? I think the moment the water hits that, we got to go back.
Yeah.
Because this is all about the same even height. And we definitely don't want to be stuck out here because that water will rush right in.
No, I know, I've been out here before. You just gotta leave a little early. So look, these right here are generally, see how there's water running down them? They're generally rocky all the way through. On that side, that's what I always did, is I walked down these.
Huh.
But I can't tell if it's, that's why I want to go, because it's less steep over here. So we go over and we'll go down.
Oh, so sloppy.
Well look, people have been going right here. But look at that drop. I ain't doing that.
This is gonna be a good video.
I'm not falling there, but this is fucking like ice.
What's wrong with your right foot?
Once we get down, look, once we get down, we can walk all the way where those dudes are, and that's how they got down, right over there by the rocks. So let me go first.
Damn right, you're going first.
Yeah, rock here in the middle here.
Oh, it's all squish.
I'm gonna slide down this bitch, dude.
Oh. I'll throw a stringer out to catch you.
Oh, it's good, it's rocky, come on. Oh, good.
Good and rocky, he
Yeah.
says, and now he's slipping.
Come on, it's rocky.
What rock do you see? Oh,
Oh,
it's squishing.
oh.
Oh, I can't move my foot.
You're really stuck?
I was for a moment.
Can't stop, you gotta go. If you fall though, it's gonna be a trip over.
You're going, that's as far as you can go.
Huh? No, dude, oh yeah.
Yeah, I can see the drop off. I say we just get over here where the little island converges and throw it a few times. There's just one problem. There's nowhere to put the backpack.
I know, we'll have to wear it. You can't wear it?
I ain't got no hook on.
You may grab you something heavy out of there?
Yeah, just we'll pull the case out first. I've got one on there that kind of looks like a little bullet.
Get better. Over here.
Camera's getting all wet.
Yeah, you might smack that one up though. Got it?
Yeah.
You bitch.
Here you go.
Alright.
Fishy, fishy. Come on, fish. Oh, a stick just popped up.
What the fuck? Me on here.
Are you on?
Yeah.
No.
I got something.
I think you got that tree that was coming down.
No, it's pulling. I got this.
What?
It can't go.
Ah,
Right in the mouth. Where's the flies, Doc?
they're in my backpack.
Hang on.
You're doing that one by hand. Billy G with the pink on that chartreuse Kodiak. Oh, and me snagging mud.
Right in the mouth, man.
Well, they do bite. I was about to say, if you smack a silver right off the bat, I'd be quitting.
Well, if there's one in there, why wouldn't there be?
There might be. I don't know why there wouldn't be. Are you on again?
They're smashing it, huh?
You must be in a pocket of pinks. Yep.
Damn pit. I need the flies, huh?
Come get them.
Where, you know where they are? Are they in the big part?
No, they're just in there. Yeah, they're gonna be in the big section. Billy G, king of the pinks. Pinky, pinky. Ooh, stinky pinky. That hook's gonna fly out of his mouth.
Oh, man, right in my face.
Right, I got the pull.
I'd love to get you
Oh,
money.
come on, man. Get stinky pinky. It's all mud.
Oh, yeah.
There it goes. It came right off. I lost my hook and I can't get it in the eyelid. Oh, oh, all the professional fishermen are gonna get mad at me because I put my hook on the eye and not on the bracket. There we go. Yeah, now none of you can complain about it. Trying to keep my pole holstered in my belt because we were in mud central here. I'm talking to myself. Bill's out here catching pigs. I'm out here catching muddy rocks. We're hoping to catch a silver, but that does not seem to be happening yet. But who knows? See what happens when the tide comes in. All right, I'll walk down to the pink snatcher. Whoa!
Hey, you can stand on the bank.
I don't fucking see no bank.
Right.
I see a silt line and a drop off. I'm gonna fucking die out here.
I'm not here slaying.
Yeah, pinks. I ain't slaying.
Free nothing, dude. Hey.
Oh shit.
We gotta go.
All right. Go that way.
Huh?
You think we can get up this? This gets deep fast, man.
Coming, dog.
Gotta move fast, otherwise you sink in. Oh. All right, this isn't too bad right here. Holy shit, dude, it's coming. Bill, move it around.
I'm coming, man.
Hey, Bill, what'd you think of the tide?
It's coming, man.
Oh shit.
Oh,
I'm stuck. Don't.
you can't stop.
There's a fish right there.
Why, you afraid a little bit of water down there?
Just a little bit.
I'm trying to wait and find out.
Oh,
That shit came quick.
dude, I slipped on a fish on the way up.
Dead fish?
Yeah, someone left one right there in the trench. Hear that? I got stuck in there.
No, I don't know. Okay.
Should go live now. Everybody's out here.
Yeah, this is the time. Not much action. A lot of pinks. Not one silver yet. Look at them all. I told you.
Thanks, man. You always gotta have a hook ready, you know, just in case, you know, you snag up.
All right, let me get in there and try to get a silver, man.
All right. I got a squirrel nest here. I swear I saw a chromer earlier.
Let's go.
Giving up. Giving up. Jesus. Should be.
You hear me?
Well, it's definitely abundant with pinks.
I would like to wash my boots off, dude.
I would like to watch my boots off.
Let's just go to the bar.
I hate birds. Oh man. You just fish from right here?
Okay. You can tell it's going like crazy. It's a silver.
Might be a pink though. There's a shit ton of them in there.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's a silver. That's a nice one too. See, that's how I looked over there when I was smacking the water and I saw something glow. I knew it was a silver.
Yeah. Just not a lot of them, or they just flew by us maybe?
I'm wondering. Maybe they just stayed down here.
What should I do?
Nobody with spinners is catching. The only guys that have egg and bobbers are. And this entire section of people right here, they all have bobbers.
I don't see any bobbers out
Look at them, they're floating in the water. There's a green one, there's a blue one, there's another green one, there's an orange one.
Why can't I see one? Where?
Fuck, you're blind. Oh my god. What the fuck is that noise?
This is Baycaster.
Oh.
Because he's wearing it.
Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Oh, we can chase the train down. Nice. Oh, this will take
Look
time.
on the shoulder piece.
There ain't nobody on that fucking thing.
Let's see if we get the train home.
Roll down the window. I got the video ready.
What am I doing?
Just go like this and the conductor. Honk your horn twice.
Who gets the fucking train to toot its fucking horn, dude? Me. You know what I mean? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, dude.
It's pretty beautiful.